Welcome to my honest review of Doctolib, a top-rated telehealth platform designed for scheduling doctor appointments and managing healthcare needs efficiently. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the website, highlighting its features and functionalities from a user's perspective. When you first land on the Doctolib homepage, you're greeted with a clean, modern interface. At the top, there's a search bar allowing you to look for healthcare professionals by specialty, location, or name. This functionality is perfect for users seeking specific medical services or doctors nearby. Below, there's a quick access section for popular searches, such as general practitioners, dentists, or physiotherapists. Creating an account is straightforward. You'll need to enter your email, set up a password, and verify your account. Once logged in, you're taken to your personalized dashboard. From here, you can view your upcoming appointments, manage past consultations, and even upload medical documents. The dashboard is intuitive and designed to help patients keep all their healthcare information in one place. Booking an appointment is seamless. After selecting a healthcare professional, you're presented with their availability, which is displayed in an easy-to-read calendar format. You can choose a date and time that works for you, and there's even an option to book video consultations for remote visits. This feature is particularly useful for individuals who cannot travel or prefer virtual appointments. For healthcare professionals, Doctolib provides tools to manage patient appointments, send reminders, and even conduct teleconsultations. These features enhance the doctor-patient experience by making communication and scheduling hassle-free. Security is another critical aspect of Doctolib. The platform ensures that all data, including medical records and personal information, is encrypted and stored securely. It complies with strict data protection regulations, which is essential for building trust with users. Doctolib's customer support is readily available through multiple channels, including a health center, live chat, and email support. Whether you're a patient or a healthcare provider, assistance is just a few clicks away. In terms of pricing, while the platform is free for patients, healthcare providers subscribe to a monthly plan, which grants them access to premium tools and features. This business model ensures that patients can enjoy a seamless and cost-free experience. Overall, Doctolib stands out as a versatile and reliable telehealth platform. It combines convenience, security, and functionality, making it a valuable tool for both patients and healthcare providers. Whether you need a quick checkup, ongoing medical advice, or specialized care, Doctolib simplifies the process. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.